So I've totally changed my mind about my favorite perfume. Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to do a little mini unboxing of one particular item that is super hard to find by Louis Vuitton, and then another one that actually took me by surprise. So let's start with the obvious one here, which you cannot deny this beautiful bag. So initially I went into my local Louis Vuitton because I wanted to get the California Dream perfume. I've heard such good things about this perfume that I wanted to smell it for myself. I did want to do it online. I wanted to get an order, but I wanted to try another one out too, and then the sample of that other one that I wanted to try was always out of stock. Anyway, so I went into the Louis Vuitton store and I asked the girl to let me see the California Dream perfume, and I sprayed it on myself. Initially when I sprayed it, I liked it, but I wasn't crazy about it. So I asked her to spray another one on the other arm, and I walked around and I looked at bags, and as my body was reacting with the perfume, I was liking it less and less. So of course I wanted it because I thought the packaging was beautiful. As you can see, this bag is gorgeous. I just did not like the way that it was reacting to my chemicals of my body, so I did not like it. I was so bummed. I was very bummed because I wanted that bottle because it's just so beautiful. I know it's not an ideal reason or a perfect reason to want a perfume because of the packaging, but that's why I wanted it. So then I was there and I didn't like the other one that she had sprayed on me either, and I was like, hey, I really want to get one of your perfumes. Which one should I get? And she's like, well, if you would have asked me earlier, I would have told you which one was my favorite, but I just went in there wanting the California Dreams one. So she showed me one and she sprayed it, and I did the same thing. I walked around, and the more I walked around, the more I loved this perfume. So currently I have two perfumes that are my favorite ones, which is the Flower Bomb by Viktor and Rolf. I wear that one. That was my favorite one. And then I have the Lancome La Vie Est Belle, which is super sweet and I love it. And of course I have my Chanel Chance Eau Tendre, and that one I wear to work. So all those have been blown out of the water by this perfume that I bought. So she actually gave me this bag because she knew that I liked the packaging, so that was very nice of her. She gave me this bag, but I did not end up purchasing the California Dreams. I actually ended up purchasing another perfume, which is definitely my favorite, and it has stolen my heart. I love this perfume. I spray it once to go to work, and I come back home, I can still smell it. Then I change, I'll work out or I'll do yoga, and I'll spray it again just because, oh my gosh, I love the way it smells. So the perfume that I bought, I cannot say it, is attrape-reves, I don't know, but it smells fantastic. And of course I had to get it engraved, so I did that, and that is a sure sign of you are keeping this perfume because you are not able to return it after you have engraved it, of course. So I have been using it some, and since I got it, but I did want you to see the packaging that it comes in case you had not seen it before. But that's what the packaging looks like, and that is what the name is. In case you're wondering, I don't know how to say it, I am so sorry. But the bottle is beautiful as well. Not as beautiful as the California Dreams, but it is so pretty, and I did get my initials SN engraved there, not engraved, but hot stamped on the bottle, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. So if you ever get the chance to go smell this for yourself, or maybe if you're ordering perfume, try and get the sample and see if you like it, because I really like it. It's very sweet, and I do like sweet fragrances or rose fragrances, but the California Dream was just a little bit too not as girly as I like my perfumes to smell, but it just didn't go well with me. So it's totally not the perfume's fault, of course, but yes, I wanted to share this purchase with you guys because I absolutely love this. It has totally taken the place of my other perfumes. Now I had a Cartier Rose perfume. It was brand new. I hadn't used it, and I actually gave it to my daughter 2 days ago because I just didn't have room in my little perfume tray, and I wanted this one to be on there. So I was like, just pick a perfume and take it upstairs so that I can have room. And she picked that one, of course, because it was brand new. But I do love this, and I'm so excited, and I wanted to share that with you. So I'm gonna leave this out. Moving on, let me tell you this quick story. So this particular item that I'm about to unbox here, I actually have already unboxed it because I couldn't wait to open it. But I did put it back in the box so that you could see. But when I was at the Louis Vuitton store, they actually had it in stock. And I told the girl, I was like, I have stalked this website so much so I could get my hands on this item, and you guys have it in stock. And she was like, yeah, we have the same exact one in stock, but they only had one. So of course I didn't buy it because I had this one already, but so let's quit the rambling and let's open this. So like I said, I already opened it, but opening it here with you guys. Here's my little envelope and my little receipt and my box, and this comes with ribbon, whatever. Louis Vuitton is so inconsistent, and I just keep shopping with them. I don't know why. There's actually one last thing that I want from Louis Vuitton, which is the Recto Verso card holder, which just came out. And I'm still thinking about getting it or not. I have asked one of my SAs to see if she can get it for me. She probably can, but I'm still thinking about it. I'm not sure, just because of the issues I've had with them before, but everything I have and that I have kept in my collection I do love, so I still love the brand very much, even with their inconsistencies. So anyway, I got this little item here, and I am very happy that I did get it. I was able to get my hands on it, and it is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. So I'm really happy with this. This is actually one of the pieces that I have been wanting so that I can do like a little catch-all in my purse, because I don't have one currently. I do have a little fry pouch that I'm using now in my on-the-go tote. So I wanted to replace that with this piece. I actually did want the monogram, but I was stalking the site, as I said, and this one was the first one that came available. I do love damier ebene as well. I wouldn't get it in the azure print just because I feel like it's a little bit less carefree, and this is something that I'm just going to be throwing in my bag. So I was excited when this one came out to be available. As soon as I saw add to bag, I was like, boop, and check out, like super fast. So I'm really excited with this little piece. I feel like it's just a must-have if you do have a Louis Vuitton addiction, or if you do collect pieces from Louis Vuitton. This is just a must-have that you just have to have in your collection because it's very functional, very useful, and I was just missing it. So I'm really happy that I got my hands on it. And here's the little textile card and the little SKU card as well. The number on this is N5809. So I wanted to show you that I finally got my hands on this. And that is pretty much it for this little mini Louis Vuitton unboxing. My two little items right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this quick little video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will be leaving more videos linked in, somewhere around the screen if you want to keep watching me. And I do thank you all for watching. Please let's not forget to be kind to one another, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.